Okay, so today we're gonna make this blackberry, balsamic, and basil grilled cheese sandwich. It's a mouthful, but it's really, really tasty, I promise you. So some people like white wine, some people like red wine. I like green wine, and what I mean by that is eco wine. So this rosé is CIP certified, it's sustainable, and I really love wines that I like to drink, but also I care about the planet. So it's two things in one that's perfect, and it goes great with this grilled cheese sandwich. So let's get to making it. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do for this grilled cheese sandwich is we're gonna make a blackberry compote. So we're gonna add some blackberries to a small saucepan, and then just go ahead and mash those with a fork. You're gonna add in your balsamic vinegar and a little bit of honey, and then we're gonna cook this compote down. You want to have it simmer just ever so slightly. Don't overcook it or it's gonna burn, but just simmer it very, very slightly. It's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes for that compote to fully cook down. You wanna reduce it in volume by half. The way that you know that this compote is ready to eat is you can actually just take a bit of it on the back of a spoon, draw your finger across, and if that line holds, the compote is ready and good to go. Now we're gonna make our grilled cheese sandwiches. So the thing that's great about this recipe is that they're actually sheet pan grilled cheese sandwiches. So you can just build the grilled cheese sandwiches, stick them in the oven, and you don't even have to really do a whole lot after that. You just get tasty grilled cheese sandwiches when it's done. So first thing you wanna do is take some softened butter and add some chopped parsley to it, and just mix that together. We're gonna take your slices of bread, and we're gonna butter one side of all of the slices of bread. Okay, so you have your slices of bread that are buttered on just one side. You're gonna take a sheet pan and take 4 of those slices of bread and put them buttered side down. And then you're gonna take your delicious blackberry balsamic compote that goes wonderful with this Grenache Rosé and just put some of that compote on each slice of bread. Go ahead and top off each slice of bread with the cheese. We're gonna add in your cheddar cheese and you're gonna add in the Fontina cheese. Now we're gonna add some basil. I love this part of the recipe because the basil smells amazing. So take your basil leaves, pull off those stems, and just put them on top of the cheese. And then take those remaining slices of bread and put them on the sandwiches that you built, butter side up. You're gonna stick that in the oven. You're gonna bake it at 450 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. You just wanna kind of check on it until it gets golden brown on the bottom side. Once it's golden brown on the bottom side, go ahead and flip those sandwiches over very carefully. And then again, bake it for about 5 minutes. Once the bottom side on that is golden brown, then you are good to go and you have a tasty grilled cheese sandwich to go with your sparkling rosé. Like I said, eco wine, go for the eco wine. This wine is CIP certified. So if you like tasty foods to go with delicious, sustainable wines, check out cipcertified.org. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter. I'll be sharing lots of recipes over the next year. I hope you like them. And hey, if there's something you want to see, just drop a comment down below. See you guys next time.